Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Asab, and if you're not, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. First off, I want to say I'm sorry that I have been gone. It's been a week, a little over a week, and I did promise to make videos at least once a week, so that is my bad and I apologize, but we're back. And I really wanted to do a makeup look because I think you guys liked the last one that I did. All right, so for today, I was thinking maybe we should try the new trend that I've seen on Instagram and YouTube. I've seen it everywhere. I'll put pictures of it here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's called the fox makeup look, or makeup eye, or fox eye, whatever it's called. So basically what it is that you just do is like a soft, smoky, kind of like elongated eye. I think everything's just supposed to be like, which is like honestly my ideal aesthetic. I wish my eyebrows kind of like went up like that. While I do my eyebrows, let's talk about how I kind of messed up my eyebrows. Okay, so basically what happened was tools. I got a bunch of these little shaver things. I got them from a beauty supply store, and what happened is I guess I kind of got a little bit overzealous and I kind of got rid of half my eyebrow. But okay, the good thing about me doing this by accident is that it actually gave me an opportunity to play around with a different type of eyebrow look. And basically now I'm trying to like, I brush everything higher. So normally my eyebrows kind of go like from here and then go back down. But now that I've ruined my face, I can try to see how my brows would look if they were just like straight up, kind of. I'll show you guys what I mean. All right, so I'm grabbing my favorite pencil brush. This is the Precisely My Brow pencil. And I'm just going to follow this line. And we kind of want, with the fox eye look, you just want to look like snatched. I wish I had the tape. Do you guys ever heard about the tape? I'll put a picture here, but the tape that kind of like lifts you up. Should I buy that tape and then do a video on it? What do you guys think? I think it would be a good idea, but especially for those of us that wear hijab, we can easily cover that tape with our hijab and then facelift. Oh my god, you guys have too much time on my hands in this quarantine. But anyway, so basically I'm just gonna draw, get more product, my eyebrow up just like that, and we're just gonna try to make it more in this direction. So normally I kind of would draw it more down, but now I'm just trying to lift everything up. Then you just work with whatever shape you have. If your brows are just normally straight, keep them straight. If you have an arch them. But for this look, I'm gonna try to get them, you know what I mean? Okay. So I tried my best to do my eyebrows like straight as much as I can, kind of like higher than they normally are. So this brow right here, she didn't want to participate. She was giving me a hard time. So whatever, they're sisters, or are they supposed to be cousins? These ones are like not even related, to be honest, but I feel like I did my best. I'm gonna grab some brow gel. This is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I really like this brow gel. The only issue is like once this is on, there's no, wait, let me turn the light on. Is that better? All right, so brows are on. Now let's go ahead and prime our lids. I'm gonna use a lighter, actually no, I'll use one that's my skin color. So I'm gonna use this Benefit concealer. This is in the shade Butterscotch. We're just gonna pat that and cover our whole eye. I want to use this Tartelette in Bloom palette. I love this palette because it has just really pretty shades of brown and neutral colors. And for this look, we're just gonna be playing around with different tones of brown and trying to like make an eye look. Disclaimer, you guys, this is my first time trying to do this, so if I mess it up, you guys will never see this video. Right. Okay, so first things first, I'm the realist. I'm sorry. I can never say that without saying that part. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab any old fluffy brush. We're gonna go into this color, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And this is just gonna make sure that the concealer doesn't move around too much. It's time to make our kind of smoky-ish eyes. So let's go ahead and grab, I'm using this shader brush by NYX, and I'm gonna go in with, let's just try to build this out. So I'm gonna go in with this color called Sweetheart. This color, it's called, sorry guys, this color is called Sweetheart. That just along the side that. Now I'm just gonna use the same brush and just a touch of this color called Rebel, which is kind of like a little warm tone brown. And I'm gonna grab that, just a touch of it, not too much. And then we're just gonna start building out that wing. So the thing about fox eye look, from what I can tell in the pictures, is that the wing doesn't go all the way in. You just wanna start on the outer corner. So everything's gonna be kind of focused on this half of the eye. So we're gonna go ahead and just lightly kind of smoke that out. And this will be our base. And we're gonna go in with this darkest brown shade. So this shade is called Leader. Any dark brown that you have will work. Even an eyeshadow color, like an eyebrow color, will work. And we just wanna go and like, almost like you're creating a wing, but the wing does not go all the way. So just focus here. So just focus your wing out here. So I'm gonna go into this shade called Activist. It's kind of like a soft black. And we're just gonna build out that cat look, or the fox look actually. Just go underneath and just make it a little darker. All right, so it doesn't have to be precise. I'm gonna go back in with that same brush that had the Rebel shade, and I'm just going to blend it just lightly. I don't wanna get rid of everything that I've done. I just want it to kind of, you don't really see where one color starts and the other starts, if that makes sense. All right, so I think that's good enough. Don't worry about underneath. We're gonna clean it up with our concealer when it gets time. So, next step, eyelashes. Remember, this whole look is about moving things up. So you can't use a rounded eyelash. You need to use a cat kind of eye. So these lashes are called Bustler, and they're by Kiss. And so do you see how it's like in the front, it's shorter and then it gets longer? So the lashes are on, y'all. I struggle to put on these lashes. I don't have any more clear lash glue, so I only have the black ones. So I tried my best to get them on without having like black stuff all over my eyes. And yeah, this took me like 30 minutes. But it's on, and I feel like it's really contributed to the look where it's like elongating my eye. And now let's move on to the face. So now I'm using this hydrating foundation primer by Laura Mercier. I really need hydration because my skin, since we've been indoors all day, has become so dry. And I'm breaking out because it's Ramadan, so we're not having as much water. So my whole forehead is just like horrible. It's full of little tiny, not even pimples, like I don't know how to describe it, kind of like what do they call it? Is it called like milieu or something? I'm going to use this foundation by Clarins. This is the Everlasting Youth Foundation. Okay, so I'm going to add this YSL illuminator, and I'm just going to put a couple of drops there. So we're going to go ahead and just put the foundation on. I think it's a pretty good match. And just blend that out. I'm using this Marc Jacobs, I think it's called the Seamless Face Brush. I'm just gonna put that all over my face. I'm gonna go back. All right, so I went back in with the Benefit Concealer that we used underneath our eyes, and I'm just gonna clean that up. And try to get as close as you can to that area and brighten that up a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out underneath our eyes. All right, and then you just wanna grab the pointy side of your blender and just make sure you clean up underneath that fox eye, just to make it cleaner. All right, so I'm setting my face with some translucent powder. I'm just making sure that my cheekbones kind of appear higher just by sculpting. Oh yeah, so sculpting a line. I usually start from the corner of my mouth and then work upwards towards my temple, and that just makes your cheekbones appear elongated and higher. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. This foxy makeup look is that everything just wants to appear higher, so we're just gonna make sure that we contour in that direction towards your temple, so just above your ear, and then just don't forget your jawline just to make it a little sharper. All right, so now we're just gonna get rid of all of that excess powder. right, so next we're gonna use some blush. You can use any type of blush. I'm using this Givenchy Prism blush because I like the orange color. You can use any orange blush. I have a NYX blush that looks just like that. And I'm just gonna use the same contouring brush and just, again, you wanna elongate the face. So we'll just brush everything upwards. Like we're giving ourselves a facelift. All right, so now it's time to complete the eyes. We're gonna go back in with that soft black color we had, or we were using earlier on the eye, on the outer corner, and we're gonna bring that into the inner corner. You know, I suck at doing my inner corner, so let's just pray that I can do this. But I guess we're just supposed to like kind of elongate the inner corner. So I think I just grabbed this little tiny lip brush and I'm just going to do my best. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I just want it to come out kind of like that. It looks good. What do you guys think? I think I might have done it a little thick, but it's not that bad for the first time. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. So where your tear duct is, you just want it to go a little further. So I'm using this lip liner by NYX, and this is in the shade Urban Cafe. And I'm gonna go ahead and line just outside of my lips. And I'm gonna grab this color by MAC, and it is in the shade Honey Love. And the last step is grabbing this MAC lip gloss, and this is in Myth. I'm just gonna put it in the center of my lips. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It wasn't perfect because it was my first time, but I think it came out pretty good. So if you guys want to try this out, let me know. Please tag me on Instagram if you guys ever follow my tutorials and copy the looks. I know they're pretty basic, but I would love to see them. Don't forget to like this video. It really helps me out. Comment if you have a comment. And I'll see you guys very shortly in my next video. I love you guys a lot. Goodbye.